Hey guys, I'm back. I know I haven't posted in like a few weeks, but I'm here today and that's all that matters. Today I'm just gonna be doing a makeup video. I'm gonna do it different than my last one because it's actually gonna be a tutorial. I'm actually gonna show you how I'm gonna do the makeup I'm going to do, and it's gonna be a voiceover. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's go straight into the makeup. Okay, starting off, I'm taking my Hello Kitty lip balm in Velvet. It's my favorite chapstick. I really do recommend it. And then I'm taking my warm sugar vanilla lotion and just moisturizing my hand. Now I'm taking the e.l.f. Camel Concealer and I'm going to put that all over my eyelids. Now I'm just blending it out. I'm taking this pink color and I am just blending it halfway above my crease. I'm going to start small and gradually build up the color. Really taking my time to blend out the shade. Next I am taking a light brown concealer and I am going to wing out the outer corner of my eye. Doing the same thing, just taking my time blending it out and connecting it to my lower outer corner of my eye. Again, just really taking my time to blend it out. I am taking my concealer again and I'm going just a little bit above my natural crease of my eye and filling it in to get a half creased. Taking a white shadow just to set that. Now I'm taking a darker brown shadow and blending it on the outer corner and into the lighter brown that I put on previously. Now to darken it just a little bit more, I'm taking these two shades and just blending them in, and then I'm taking the pink shade that I put on the inner corner of my eye and just dusting it lightly on the outside right here so that it can give a really pretty look. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner and giving myself a small wing just because this look is already so dramatic. Next I am taking mascara and I was trying to find the color but I couldn't find one. But I am just coating my eyelashes once. I'm going to be wearing false eyelashes, so I didn't think it was necessary to go all crazy. Next I'm taking these lashes. They are 20 millimeters from Amazon. I honestly cannot remember the brand they're from, but I do recommend getting your eyelashes from Amazon. Cheap and very, very pretty. Next I'm taking the concealer and I'm just putting it all the normal spots that I would conceal. With this concealer, you have to kind of work fast because it is super matte, so it dries very quickly. So for best results, I would say doing one section at a time. But if it does dry, you can just spray some setting spray and it will loosen the product up a little bit and it'll be easier to blend. Next I'm taking the Fit Me foundation from Maybelline in the lightest color, 110. I do my foundation before I do my concealer because my concealer is very matte and I like a little bit of a dewier look. And when I put my foundation over my concealer, it just gives that look a little bit. Next I am going to apply contour. It's going to appear very dark, but I am just applying it and then after I apply it, I will be blending it out to give it a lot softer of a look. Now, like I said before, I'm just blending out the contour to give it a lot softer and less harsh look. Now I'm just taking my Morphe Bacon Set powder in the color trend. I'm going to be cutting my contour to give it a sharper look. Now I'm taking the Mud Lip pencil in a natural lip. I'm just going to be lining my natural lip shape. Now I'm taking my Kylie Jenner lipstick in the color Miami, and I'm going to be putting that all over my lips, including the lip liner. Now I'm going to be taking the Morphe liquid lip in the color Virgin, and I'm going to be applying that to the inner part of my lips to give my lips some dimension. Not too much, really just kind of tapping it in. Now I'm going to be brushing off my transition powder and kind of blending in the contour so that it gives it a more natural look while still being cut. Now I'm taking this blush in the color Kiss Me and putting it on the apples of my cheek. Putting a little bit on my chin because it's cute. And around my nose, not on the tip, but around. Now I'm going to be putting white eyeliner on. I also put highlighter and a few dots, but I didn't get it on camera. So it's been a few hours, but this is the finished look. I didn't really do much with my hair. I kind of just put extensions in, so now they're all long. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me if you guys like when I talk during my makeup, or if you guys like voiceovers more, or just comment like more what you want to see me doing in my like next videos. But I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys are all doing good, staying healthy. But I'll see you in the next video. Bye!